Is why we need Google. Most importantly, it's free. Obviously, schools enjoy the lack of cost. Using Chrome is very easy. A lot of teachers use it on their own personal devices. I think they would all like to use it at school as well. It loads quickly. It's just a speedy way of using the internet. For a search engine, we use Google every day. The kids are used to it. They understand how to use it. They can find everything they need for projects. They search up information maybe on a person of historical significance, find an image, throw it into a doc or slides, and all of a sudden you have a project, really easy way. And then as teachers, we can use Google just to search different assignments and ideas for our own personal use in the classroom. Gmail. This is my favorite email. I like it a lot better than Outlook. It's super fast. It's really easy to keep organized. Different groups can be created, maybe a group for parents, maybe a group for staff. It's got several shortcuts, and Google is all about secure privacy, so you know your information is going to be safe. The calendar is really neat to use. It's easy to share. You can share it with others in the building. There's different views of the calendar. You can stay organized by week or even year. And then you can have several different accounts on one calendar. So maybe if you're running a club at school, you can have a calendar that's in blue for that. And then you are coaching a sport, maybe that calendar is in red. It's just really nice to stay organized with your different areas that you're involved with in the building. Sites is a really cool idea for really communicating with parents. You can create a site for the school where everyone could see what's going on, maybe book fairs or school carnival. And then I think each teacher could create one for their own homeroom where parents that have students in your own class can look at what you're doing week by week, day by day, sharing different projects or assignments. Just a cool way to share information. They're easy to create, and the kids could even create one for a big project throughout the year too. Drive. This is an awesome deal. It'd be great for us to share ideas with each other. We can share a drive. Anytime we find anything that will be useful for everyone in the building, you can just throw it in our shared drive. It's got tons of storage. It's easy to organize. I personally organize it by subjects. Kind of helps me with different projects and everything like that. And it's just an easy way to save all your work in one location. Docs. The kids are really good at using docs for homework. They're comfortable with it. We can save paper, which is back to saving money. That's a great thing for our school. We can have multiple students working on one assignment. With that collaboration, they're working on teamwork skills and they're working on assignments as a team, learning how to work with one another and compromise and all those things we're trying to teach our kids. And then they can turn it right into your classroom page. No more checklists, making sure every student has it in. Classroom tells you if they have it in, and it's just really easy to work with. Sheets is similar to Excel. It's for spreadsheets. You could use this for a grade book, stay organized on maybe MAP scores or any other testing information you're going. We're all about data at school. This is a great program to collect and share data. And like most other tools with Google, you can collaborate with others. It's easy to share. And we could have one big shared sheet of test scores and information like that, which would be nice to see at staff meetings. Slides, they are great for projects. It's a presentation tool that the students like. There's different options for themes and styles. Kids love to show their creativity. This is a great program for that. And then we could use it as a staff for when we're presenting at meetings and PD days. Just really easy program to share, and I think both students and staff will benefit from slides. Forms. This could be in place of a paper or pencil test. There's 10 different styles of questions, multiple choice, short answer, essay, that type of thing. It's an easy way to collect information if you're in charge of Mathletics and need t-shirt sizes and parent contact info and stuff like that, you could create a form, send it out to the kids, they fill it out, easy to send right back to you. And then if you use it as a test in math or social studies, any subject, it grades it for you. So that's saving time for all the teachers that are always trying to save a few minutes each day. Forms is a great tool. And the most important reason why we need Google Classroom is the greatest thing ever invented for education. It is so easy to work with. You can assign assignments for a whole class or each individual if you're kind of changing an assignment for some who might struggle in certain areas. You can give instant feedback. Students can give you feedback. It's simple enough for elementary students. It's great for all ages. And it's just an awesome program to really share assignments, grade assignments, and keep very organized. You get notifications when they turn it in. It tells you who hasn't turned it in. It's just a great program.